Jotono Yafa Karagne, Wilano Sri Nebakumar Chamatia, Honorable Minister, Tribal Welfare Fisheries. जों थाख्लाय याफा खरावै दंलायनाय जेनि नंग्राय रंमाजों लांसांलायनाय याफा खरावलाय हामबाय Abang Yabulang Kolme, Sanjana Debarma, Class 8, Bindya Debarma, Class 7, Lisa Debarma. Thank you, sir. Debarma and Lisa Debarma. So, from the beginning, like they are from West District, now it's Kwai and Sipai Jala District. Sanjana Debarma is from Teliamura, Bindya Debarma is from Vishalgarh, and Lisa Debarma is from Jampui Jala. Promoted from class 12 from Amarpur subdivision.
Happy Dream and advance Happy New Year 2022. Teenager state level Merit Award the function is Sabapati President respected Principal Secretary Puneet Agarwal ji and President Jini Edisini CU, CK Jamatia, Techini Honorable MLA, Dhirendra Deborma, TMDC Ganesh Deborma, and my director, Dr. Vishal Kumar, and all the staff of the department, and media friend. Last not the least, my dear student. Since I'm now Patek Basoro, every year we are organizing this merit award, which means to identify that the merit student, thus to encourage them, thus to give them respect and honor for their work, for their hard work. Since Saimano, there are around maybe 4-5 lakh students. Out of 4-5 lakh students, here we are only 27,000, not even lakhs. Out of 10 lakhs, we have identified only 27,000. That means the maximum 80%, more than 80% are left out to get merit award. Now you have to realize you are the chosen one, you are the selected one because of your hard work, because of your performance, your extra performance, which will give the award, which we give the honor for your hard work. This is the real meaning. Why we are organizing every year this kind of merit award. Just to give regard to you, to respect, to honor of your hard work. Why everyone is not availing? Why everyone is not getting opportunities? 80%, 90% students are left out of this award. Bari-bari ni kagana nangai, no David kaham ke mapore nai. Jadi kawang officers dok sai kali kali. No os dulu nok mana nai. Has announced more than 3 crores. No ne account ham nai. Some 500, 600, 3,000, 4,000 like that. So kagana because we are OST, we are settled tribe. Only settled tribe and settled caste are enjoying this kind of opportunities. Because we are belong to settled tribe. And others, though their performance 100%, 80%, 90%, they are not getting chance. There are many students, they got more than you, their mark is better than you, but they are not getting chance. They don't get even single piece. Because we had ST, we are self tribe. Therefore, we are availing these opportunities. Jangan bodoh mak kata, we tam maya ba, sehingga tam man, tam karap. Yang sekarang satu kaham tong bui, kita bodoh maya. Proszę go zaraz. Sen kici sedang mamar bonus, use makai. Boleh use kau ni, ani boleh mazar. Not buying the mobile, not buying your shoes, not buying your dresses. You can buy good book, you can buy good pen, because books will give you knowledge. Dress, shoes will not give you knowledge. So we are giving an award, merit award, to gain more knowledge. We are giving some money, little money, for what? To encourage you, Not for buying your shoes, not for buying your mobile, not for buying your dresses. I will appreciate if you buy good book. Good books will bring you knowledge. And knowledge will give you power. Once you earn the knowledge, you will have the power. You have power to dominate others. You will have power to rule others. Therefore, modern age we are living, knowledge is power. If you have a less knowledge, you will become what? Therefore, we have to gain knowledge. That is our intention. To give a little award, just to encourage you. Here I got data. This year, we are giving you around 27,000. Last year, only 8,000. Because merit is award is increasing because of this year we are not having exam, written exam. We are giving with maybe through internet and all, I think, online and all. Therefore, that's why I think we are getting more merit student. If you really sit down and write, I think we may not get this much student. I'm happy that this year, South Tripura got highest award. South Tripura, defeating all the districts. That means South Tripura. I've got a report here, South Tripura, South district. We have a 6,441 students. They got award. South district. I think most people are maybe from West. South district got highest award, maximum award for the student. And minimum who got Unukoti district. Unukoti district have only 639 students. 639. Whereas South district got 6,441. The rest West Dolai it came. Ang Samakamastatri. First of all, you are all student, we're young, age, energetics. What is your duty now? Your priority, see, we have to select the priority of basis. Wherever you go, first you have to choose the priority. If you do not know your priority, then you will not win. Now your priority, what is your priority? Tell me. Any student, come up, tell me. What is your priority now?
Studies.
Study. Now your priority is study. After you study, you can do whatever you want. Therefore, any request about them, you are all students, you are growing up, long way to go. Still you are learning. You are young. Many days you have to go. There is a thing I want to tell you. If your vision is for 1 year, you cultivate what? Anybody? If your vision is for 1 year, you cultivate. Anybody tell? You cultivate flower. It will give you result. If your vision is for 10 years, you cultivate what? Tell me. 3. There are 3 things I will tell you. If your vision is for 1 year, you cultivate flower. Nene khaka mani, once money, ek bosan bagay kai, khum kai di. No khum manai. Nene once money, nene vision is for 10 years, you cultivate flower, tree. No khum kai di. Rabatal kai da, kaken manai, rabapati manai. You'll get something. But if your vision is for eternity, or maybe I can say, if your vision for 100 years, what you'll do? You cultivate people. If your vision is for eternity, you cultivate people, which means you educate the people. Once you educate it, it becomes eternity for you. It becomes permanent. Therefore, you have to cultivate people, which means to educate the people. Therefore, our vision should be like that. If your vision is for 1 year, you cultivate flower. If your vision is for 10 years, cultivate trees. If your vision is for eternity, cultivate people. Which means to educate people. Once you become educated, you will become asset of yourself. Nobody can take away because you are educated. When you die, only you live. But your wealth, your tree, your house, your bank balance, your property will go away. But if you are educated, you become asset of yourself. When you die only, it will go away. Therefore, education is very important. But if it's how? Education, it becomes asset. Nini babuni komo jaga tomano, rang tomano. Nung jadi educated ni yakha. Even you do not know how to manage. There are a lot of examples I can tell you. Ganang besar, jumita besar, terus kamu itu. Kamu apa example tu? Tangguh, bo, abang manage kena dunia. Bebe thoke jangnai, bebe thun jangnai, ni house kerin thanai. But once you become educated, ni rangkali pun bano. You may not have any money, you may not have any poverty, you may not have any house. But once you are educated, you can go anywhere, you can survive. In Bombay, Delhi, even if you go abroad, you can survive. At least you can survive for yourself. But about in the modern age, since Sikha Belena, Sikha Krikai. Sung besi kese mamnai, besi kotor yang nai, neng berintu lama tomnai. Apa neng sadi, neng besi bentang betong nai. Besi genang, gereng, keplai nang musuh kai, neng tang makai nai, neng gereng mamnai. Knowledge betong nai. Even among the student, among your classmate. If your classmate, your friend is better than you, more knowledge than you have to respect him, you have to obey him, isn't it? Because he knew better than you, he has more knowledge than you, which means he will control you. Because nowadays it's competitive age. Your own friend, your own classmate know better than you, have a more knowledge than you, which means you have to bow down to him. You have to respect to him because he knows better than you. Mari bagai, neng tanam mau musana, neng kering nam musana, neng renang kita makan. You have to study hard work to know better than others, to gain more knowledge than others. That means you have to work hard. Therefore, again I am telling you, we have to perform extra activities. Neng bisa kerana musuh kai, neng bisa kabang maporanai. Boy kabang maporanai. Somai kabang maporanai. Engkau sedang bisa kerana. Neng bisa poremaya. Neng saya bisa kabang porewo. Engkau ni bonin saya like. So now it is up to you to decide whether you want to become winners or losers. Neng jadi keplai nama semua kai, neng benislai extra sama maklai nai extra sama khai yang klai neng buichai kesem ongnai. Now it's up to you to decide. Neng kepai dang nai kesem dang nai neng samai matang nai. Bagi bagi young generation like you people have to decide. Or can help him here? There is saying, even God cannot help you until unless you help yourself. First you have to help yourself, then God will help you. There is no any things shortcut method. There is no freelance. But if I say, young generation have to come up with determination, with desire, willing power. Desire matter. First and foremost, my request, you have to be desirous. Willingness is very important. Now you decide. I have a desire. I want to become like Dr. Vishal Kumar, isolation. I want to become like Tonisri Jabarma, it's isolation. We have few isolation people. I want to become good doctors. I want to become ministers, good ministers, political leaders, social worker, professors. I want to become something else. I want to do something. Before I die on this earth, everybody will die one day. I will die one day, everybody will die. I'll do something for my society. But one day I also become good leaders, good speaker, maybe pastor, whatever it is. I want to do something for my society. In a society, no. Yes. But some come like that, they will remember you. Kinto they were the Handa Clever to Mana. Town and Skade and Handa Clan and the Clan. Kaham Clever with the mother night, Hama Clever with the Mana. I did Pona, I did Buri, I did Bula, Chin, Dog House, Loss of Helanga, Haiklaga, Bosana. Kaham Clever was. Therefore, I only request tonight. No come to Tony Kamporadi. To protect Pasoro, so get to the award roitum, just a month roitum. Not only that, I want to tell you. Last week, I have seen in the maybe newspaper. Our department had given 3 crore 21 lakhs. 3 kuti. And people may not know what is crore. 3 crore 21 lakhs Sangrika. One time financial assistant, 1 lakh Sangranika. Only ST, we may. Namai Puman Auto from Samia, Jabro, 50% mark Bonikaza. Both Doctor Kaito, Engineer Kayo, Nurse Kayo, professional push per Renison, Tinso, a good John, 1 lakh one time help. But 7 months, 7 of the extras, 7 everybody will get. Staff in a body. I'm going to pull the people history go. I go my yako. But as Hadino Puro, Kurusuma Yako. Changes Hatra Hamno, 1 lakh is in Rango. Why should I? Oh, Tuntomaya. I go my Simaya. Tinikatas from Puro, 1 lakh election to the Calibri night. जों छात्र गाहामनो जेब्राव 50% मार्क माननाय मेट्रिक बा 12 बानायनो जों 1 लाख रां लेखा थानाय मासाव 70% माखा ताबक तिचिने गुरुकुलो orang samtini beriau di bang besi bang beriau di jabro bading pas nai 12 pas nai jengborno 8 mas sebagai train doi tom software training komputer software 8 mas sebagai itu free of cost neng ek pejaro nai teno situ training sia nono training bero english kok sanani hindi kok sanani bui bahake ব্যবহার খাইনাই abajeng training bero বরিবাং খাগাবো চিনি কিন্তু গোबां गभर्नमेन्ट जो साइड खाइखो ओ साइड जों सामु माफुमा थाबा our fund our money should go to the right direction right place বরিবাং তিনি অবলম্বন কইনাই যত চিনি ওর ফাইমা দা ফাইনাই চিনি অভিভাবক চিনি গার্জিয়ান দাও মাম বাবু তং নিনি অগ্রার তং চিনি মাস্টার তং চিনি অফিসার তং जतना कइनाय जों गाहाम खामा फरायनाय गाहाम खामा तंनाय जों गाहाम मांनाय जों बेसेबां हाक्राक मांनायसो